Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss is how much money do you need, so what deposit do you need in order to buy your first buy to let. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Okay guys, so I've been getting a lot of DMs about how much money do I need in order to even buy my first buy to let. So today I'm here to tell you the answer. So how much you need is 25% plus. So minimum of 25%. I always stick to the 25% though, because a lot of lenders are happy with 25%. So 25%. So let's say, for example, I bought a property, I want to buy a property that's a 4-bed for £85,000. So now we're going to do our calculations, and the calculations are going to be up here. So 25% of £85,000, I believe, is £21,250. So that is literally how much you will need in order to get a property that is around 85k, and that is how much that they're gonna need from you. And these calculations are very important because obviously it's not just the down payment. Of course, there are also solicitor fees, and there's also things when it comes to the furniture. So let's go to the solicitor fees. So there are many solicitors, as you know, when it comes to property. So it's good to bargain hunt. There'd be cheaper solicitors, way better compared to others. Some solicitors are crazy expensive, but some solicitors are reasonable prices. So let's say for that specific price, it costs 2k and less. So let's say that. So then you're gonna add an extra 2k on what is it that you need. And also what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to look and search for furniture. And so when it comes to furniture, you could get furniture 4k or less. And some people might be thinking, how do you do that? And there's so many ways around it. There's so many websites where it's from the actual person. So for example, in the UK, there's places like DFS and all these other places, which is just very expensive. Like if you go to them big retail ones, it's gonna be more expensive compared to you getting a furniture from someone where it all comes in flat packs, and it's much more cheaper. And in my mastermind, I teach you where to find all of this type of furniture as well, and it's super easy because my furniture, it came to around those prices right there, and my properties were four beds. And so it's a thing where it was like for me, because I got 2 properties at once, it was like 4k times 2 type of thing, which was fine because obviously it's 2 properties of a 4 beds. But what I'm just trying to say is, if it's a thing where you're literally just doing it as a 1 property, you need 4k or less, literally. And even better, you can even get it for 3k or less when you go to the clearance section of that whole company as well. All right guys, so yeah, and the thing is how you can even start building your money side of things, so building that capital. What I suggest you do is start rent to rent. And so in my YouTube channel, I speak about rent to rent all the time, and there's also a video which I discuss in detail what is rent to rent and how does it work and how do you make profit of it. And in my mastermind, once again, I teach you everything from A to C with rent to rent. How do you get your tenants, where to list your property, all of these things that you need in rent to rent, the scripts you need, the documentation, the tenancy agreements, the property management contract, like all of these things that you need, I literally show you in my mastermind. So guys, if you are interested in my mastermind, you can either click the link below where it will show you where you can sign up, or if you want to do it, you could literally add me on Instagram. It's Oniru. It's going to be right here, and click that link in the bio, and it's going to be the first one at the top that you will say Property for Beginners Mastermind. So you can click that and then sign up to my mastermind. All right guys, awesome. So guys, what I will also say is, this is the best time to get into property. And whether it's you buying it or whether it's you doing rent to rent. And the reason why I say that is people don't realize how much some landlords don't even want to be landlords. Some landlords just want to sit back, relax, and basically let someone pay them guaranteed rent, and they're looking after their property and making sure it stays the way that it was left. And this is what I'm trying to tell you, that the best time is now. Don't listen to anybody that says, oh no, this is not the right time. No, darling, the best time is now. And the thing is, once you get yourself out there, you're in that element in property. You're going to become so confident. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter if you have zero experience. I'm telling you right now, it does not matter if you have zero experience, because once you come out my mastermind, which is a 4-week mastermind, literally, you're gonna be a pro in this game. And this is why I say, when you take action, it's very important, because I love for you to take action rather than you just sitting there and procrastinating, or rather you just writing, taking notes. No, darling, start taking action. Take the action so then you could then see results. And that's when you'll be seeing profit on your side. Okay, guys? Awesome. So guys, first of all, I want to say thank you so much for watching today. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I want you to make sure you comment down below. Tell me what is it that you think, and also comment down what else do you want to know when it comes to property. What else do you want to know when it comes to rent to rent? And also make sure, if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification on as well, so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post, guys. And yeah, guys, I'll see you next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.